Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by gathering and prepping images so Blender gives accurate guidance. Open an image editor, crop and straighten each view, then measure and match scale between them. Once done, export as PNG or JPEG and name them clearly. In Blender, enable the Add Image Empty workflow and import the front view first. Position it at the origin. Make sure to set the image opacity and display mode so you can see your model silhouette while you work. Now align images in orthographic view so proportions line up precisely. Switch to numpad 1, 3, and 7 and import each image as an empty or background. Move and scale each image until key landmarks, eyes, joints, edges, overlap between views. Once aligned, parent empties to a reference collection, lock transforms to avoid accidental moves, and set them not to render. Make sure to use snapping to the grid to begin modeling using the reference images as your visual guide. Box model or sculpt a base mesh while the mirror modifier enforces symmetry. Frequently toggle references to check silhouette and proportion from different angles and adjust image scale if something drifts. Once finished, hide or unlink the reference collection before final renders. If alignment breaks, reset image transforms or re-import the problem view. Then realign using grid snapping. This fixes the usual misplacement issue without losing modeling progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.